Hello friend, today start with 8th class subject General Science activity first preparatory bridge course. See, let's understand adaptation in plants, adaptation in animals, classification of living organisms. See in today's activity sheet. See reference in 7th standard chapter first the living words adaptation and classification. Learning outcome your mind. See different material and organisms such as digestion in different organisms, unisexual and bisexual flowers. Let's take a look. See of the learning adaptation is a definition of the adaptation. See gradual changes occur in the body parts and also in the behavior of an organism which help them to adjust to their surrounding. This is called as adaptation. Is changes are called adaptation. See first adaptation in aquatic plant. First, some in the aquatic plants are firmly rooted in the soil. Their stem is submerged while leaves and flower float on the surface. Air phase in the stems and petioles of aquatic plants are useful for floating of water. The surface of leaves and stems of many aquatic plants are covered with the waxy layers. Leaves of the plants are thin and cylinder like a ribbon. As an example of lotus and water henchit is an example of aquatic plants. Next adaptation in desert plants. Desert plants are either leafless or their leaves are like small needles. They have been modified into thorns. They stem store water and food and is therefore fleshy. The stems are green as they perform photosynthesis in the absence of leaves. As an example of cactus and babul is an example of desert plant in a adaptation. Next adaptation in plants of snowy region. These trees are conical in shape due to their sloping branches. Their conical shape prevents the snow from accumulating on the tree. The thick bark helps trees to withstand the cold. That like the example of deodar and pine trees of the snowy regions plants. Next adaptation in animal as a adaptation of aquatic animals. See their body tapers toward both the its ends like a spindle. Fish breathe with the gills instead of nose. Fish have scale on the skin and fins in the body. They have air blender within the body to help them float. Example rohu, poplet and shark is an example of aquatic animals. Next adaptation in desert animals. Desert animals have a thick skin to prevent loss of water from the body. Their legs are long with the flat and cushioned soles. The nostrils are protected by fold of skin. The eyelashes are long and thick. As an example of camel, snake, centipede, lizard is a main example of the adaptation in desert animal. Next adaptation in aerial animals. The spindle-shaped body of birds also minimize the resistance of air while flying. The body covering of feathers. Modification of forelegs into wings. Hollow bones, their body is light in a weight and adapted for flying. As a example, pigeon, parrot. As a many example of the birds in a flying on the air. Next adaptation in animals of snowy region. A white and silver body color, long, thick hair on the skin are typical characteristic of animal of snowy region. Yak, polar, white fox, or mountain goat is an example of snowy region in an adaptation of animals. Next point, classification of living organism hierarchy of classification. Herici mango human as a herici first kingdom. As a mango plantia and human animalia. Phylum Anthophata and humans as a chordata. As a herici class as a mango dicotyledona and human mammalia. As a herici order mango spindles and human primates. As herici family Anacardiaceae and human as a Homomanidae. As herici genus as Magnifera and Homo. Species as a mango is indica and humans are the species. Is a binomial nomenclature. Is a binomial nomenclature by Carl Linnaeus. Binomial nomenclature is used to identify the organism according to a scientific name has assigned to each organism. It consists of two parts, the first part of genus and second part of the species. See living things. Dog, cow, hibiscus, jar is a living thing. As a scientific name of dog as Canis lupus familiaris. Is a cow is a scientific name is a bos turtle. As a living things hibiscus rosa senes is a specific name. As a jar as a sorghum bicolor is a scientific name. Let's the practice in a answer of the all questions. Let's practice. First question. Match the following. Group A, Group B. First, yak. Yak. Thick hair on the skin. Cactus, fleshy stem. Water henchit, air pace in the stem. Rohu, gills is the answer of the arrows. See the next question. Fill in the following table. See, adaptation, animals, use of adaptation. See is a use of adaptation. First, reducing water resistance is a adaptation. Spindle shaped body, animals, eagle. Next adaptation, webbed toes, duck and frog animals. Use of adaptation, swim easily through water. Next, as animals say, penguin is adaptation, skin is thick with a layer of fat. Use of adaptation, helps to heavy snowfall. Next adaptation, long and sticky tongue is an animal's garden lizard or frog. Next use of adaptation, the catch of insect. Next question 3. Search and write down the scientific name, binomial nomenclature of any 5 animals or plants. See, dog is a scientific name, Canis lupus familiar. Cow, Bos taurus. Mango, Mangifera indica. Hibiscus rosa sinensis. Human, Homo sapiens is a scientific name or binomial nomenclature of animal and plants. As the next question, see question 4. Which part of the plant shows adaptation in the figure? Is the adaptation of aloe vera of leaves and stem parts. As the leaflets like small needle, some leaves search to be modified into thorns for conserving water. Very little water is lost by evaporation. The stems are fleshy as water and food is stored in the stem. Is the answer. As next, fifth question. In what way are sloping branches useful to plants in snowy region? Is the answer. Snowy region trees are conical shape with strong branches. With the help of heavy snowfall and extreme cold water. And the next question 6. Why does water trickle up from Calathea and lotus leaves? Is the answer Calatheas and lotus plants that has waxy layer on its stem and leaves. If water falls on the leaves, it is not observed but get trickled down. Is the answer. Thank you watching my video. Please subscribe, like and comment of any notification of in your mobile. Thank you very much.